In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a co-host on Vrbo. Now, you might be familiar with certain platforms that provide a straightforward co-hosting option, like Airbnb. Unfortunately, that's not the case with Vrbo. Here, you won't find a direct way to add a co-host. But don't worry, because I'm going to guide you through some effective alternatives to manage your listings collaboratively. Let's first talk about the simplest route. It involves sharing access to your existing account. Begin by logging into your Vrbo dashboard. From there, you should reach out to Vrbo support to take an important step. Get your co-host added as an emergency contact. This step is crucial because it allows your co-host to receive verification codes. They'll also be able to assist with guest messages, making it easier for them to help manage your property. Once Vrbo support approves this addition, consider sharing your login credentials with your co-host. By doing this, you empower them to manage listings and handle guest communications directly. It's important to be mindful of security here. Ensure that your co-host is someone you trust completely. Sharing login details inherently carries some risk, so it's a step best reserved for those you have a strong and secure professional relationship with. Now, for those wary of sharing sensitive information like passwords, there's an alternative that offers more control and security using a third-party property management system, or PMS for short. Tools like IGMS, Hospitable, Guesty, or Zeno are excellent options. These platforms allow you to invite your co-host to create their own profiles, separate from your main account. Through these systems, you can assign specific permissions to each profile, enabling your co-host to manage messaging, update calendars, adjust pricing, and oversee maintenance without giving them full access to your primary account. This method offers a significant advantage. It retains the autonomy of your account while extending necessary functions to your co-host efficiently. You maintain control by setting boundaries on what they can access and change, minimizing potential security risks. So, to recap, while Vrbo might not offer direct co-hosting functionalities, you can navigate this by contacting support to add a trusted individual as an emergency contact, sharing your credentials for hands-on management, or utilizing a third-party system to ensure both security and collaboration. Each approach has its own benefits and considerations, so the choice ultimately depends on your comfort level and operational needs. By following these steps, you're well on your way to efficiently managing your Vrbo listings with a co-host. Remember, open communication and trust with your co-host are key to a successful partnership. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.